I now invite Dr. Unmana Baugehein, our Vice President, to introduce Anicon 2026. Thank you very much.
Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, and honorable guest of honor, and the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and esteemed delegates. Association of Nurse Executive of India, ANI, stands as a symbol of dedication, commitment, tireless service towards the growth and empowerment of the nursing fraternity. From a small group of like-minded visionaries, ANI has spread to across entire country, carrying the same motto, same spirit, and the same unwavering energy to uplift nursing leadership. What began as a seed of hope has grown into a strong, flourishing tree that continues to nurture the profession. The dedicated founder members, committed officials, and dynamic executive team have remained inseparable in this journey, from roots to fruits. Their unity, passion, relentless efforts have shaped ANI into a resilient, multifaceted organization that inspires nurse leaders across India. Here I take it as a moment of immense pride and joy to stand before you as the outgoing Vice President of ANI to warmly welcome each one of you to the 6th annual flagship event of the Association of Nurse Executive of India. This gathering is not just a conference. It is truly a unique event. I fondly call it Knowledge Festival, a space where we exchange ideas, learn, transform, and inspire, and also celebrate the incredible spirit of nursing leadership. So I am briefly introducing the Anicon 2026 2-day program over here. Today marks the beginning of 2 inspiring days filled with learning, collaboration, innovation, and professional growth. This academic fest of Anicon will be even more vibrant with engaging delegates, and of course, there is interesting debates, eloquent presentations, and intellectually enriching panel discussion. Let us all be ready to share the awardees and winners too. I'm sure you will enjoy the cultural bonanza from Maharashtra at the end of the day today. As we inaugurate the day with the inauguration and art ceremony, ANI anthem, lamp lighting, let us remember that nursing is not just only a profession, but also a commitment to humanity, compassion, and excellence. I extend my heartfelt greeting to our honorable chief guests once again, and the keynote speakers and esteemed panelists. So day 1, that is the track 1, already we are in. Track 2 will be the scientific session, starting with panel discussion, which will be shared by Dr. Jyoti Clara Madam. The topic will be workforce sustainability, leadership strategy across discipline. Then track 3 will be quality, safety, value, when team works as one. Then track 4 will be the supporters presentation. Then track 5 will be the economics of care, leadership decisions that matter. Then track 6 will be interesting session debate on the topic, nurses celebrated their works, supported in practice, reality, or illusion. Panel discussion on the topic, consumers to creators, the nurses' role in healthcare IT design. And this day will be end with the annual general meeting today, and anticipating everyone will be present over there. The day 2, we are starting with the Tech 8, starting with patient to action, ANI reports, that Madam Roslyn Russell will be leading this track. Then track 9, all about ANI competitions. That is very interesting, enthusiastic participants were there. There will be the poster future nurse engagement challenge and nursing operational efficiency challenge, and also another program, nurse-led research and nurse-led innovations. Track 10 will be transformational leadership, protecting the planet. Topic will be introduced by Madam Subhara Sakurikar. Track 11, Also will be the interesting program by ANI supporters. Don't miss it. Then Tech 12, something more interesting. Nursing, Kal Az or Kal. Caring, leading, and transforming theoretical presentation by nursing students. And we are coming to the end of Tech 13. The most exciting moment is the valedictory session, where we conclude only to begin again with renewed energy and inspiration. Delegates, your presence adds great value to this event and strengthens our shared vision, advancing nursing leadership in India. Each year, this platform has brought us closer, strengthened our collective voice, and renewed our commitment to advancing the nursing profession. Let us keep this flame of leadership, learning, and unity alive for ourselves, for our profession, and for generation of nurses yet to come. Have a wonderful day at ANICON 2026. Thank you very much.